One day I was searching for a figurine for my next video and I saw a beautiful phoenix fox from Harry Potter, and it was that day that I got the idea to paint one. So that is what I'm going to paint. I will use dark vermilion like the base color for the miniature. Now I will use the clear orange for the blending on the tail. Now it's time for orange fire. Now you can probably see that it's blending in. Now I'm going to use sun yellow for the last color of the blending. And the blending is done, so that's how you do the blending. Now I'm going to paint the legs of the miniature with flat brown. And now it's time for dry brushing. Dry brushing is important because it makes the highlights. You can do them manually, but it's faster with dry brushing. And so with that, let's start dry brushing. For dry brushing, make a little line of paint and then twist the brush in the paint. Remove the excess paint on a texture palette and then you're ready to start dry brushing. After dry brushing, it's time to glue everything together. And now the moment you have been waiting for, it's time for the final result.